Note down example first. In the figure, those who have written question, don't write. Those who have not written, note down. In the figure, AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD, comma, find the value of X. Find the value of X. Find the value of X. Line AB, line CD, EF, this point is O. This angle I have given 140 degree. This angle is 30 degree. And this angle is X. Yesterday I have given this question. Yeah, listen carefully, students, how to solve this question. Firstly, I want to do construction. I have assumed this angle is 2 and this angle is 1. Okay. Now angle 2 directly I can say is equal to 30 degree. Why? Interior, alternate interior angle. Angle 2 is equal to 30 degree. Why? Alternate interior angle. Z is forming. Alternate interior angle. But I want to find out angle 1. How to find angle 1? Before that, I want to find out this. Suppose I have assumed this is y. Then I can write here y plus 140 degree is equal to 180 degree. Y linear pair angle. Y plus 140 degree is equal to 180 degree linear pair angle. Linear pair angle. Then I want to find out the value of y. Y is equal to 180 minus 140 is equal to 40 degree. The value of y has come 40 degree, means angle 1 is equal to y is equal to 40 degree. I want to find out x. X is equal to angle 1. Since angle 1 is equal to x is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 1 is 30 degree and angle 2 is equal to 40 degree is equal to 70 degree. The value of x has come 70 degree. Note down everyone. Note down firstly this question. Yeah. Example 2 note down. In the figure, example 2, in the figure, In the figure, AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD, comma, angle ECD is equal to 135 degree and angle EAB is equal to 130 degree. Then find the value of X. Then find the value of X. Yeah, draw this figure. This is very interesting question and a very important question. Yeah, this line is AB. This is CD. This angle is this. This point is E. He has given angle ECD. ECD is equal to 135 degree. Next, EAB. EAB. This angle is 130 degree. He is asking find the value of X. This angle is asking. Draw this figure, everyone. Yeah. Student, concentrate here how to solve this question. Yeah. Firstly, I want to draw construction. Okay. I have taken this. This line is EF. Yeah. Again, how to find the value of X? Very easy question. If I have drawn this supporting line, then I am getting 1 point. I can assume this angle is 1 and down angle is 2. I have assumed up angle is 1 and down angle is 2. Now students, you are observing one thing I am getting, angle 1 plus again 135 is equal to which 180 degree. Why? Co-interior angle, bracket shape. This was the concept. Small concept was there in this question. Now down everyone. Angle 1 plus 135 degree is equal to 180 degree. Why? Co-interior angle or allied angle. Co-interior angle. Students always keep in mind co-interior angle will never be equal. The sum of co-interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Now angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree. Angle 1 is equal to 5. 45 degree has come. Angle 1 has come 45 degree. Same things I want to apply that concept to the down also, and I can say angle 2 plus 130 degree is equal to 180 degree. Why? Co-interior angle. Co-interior angle. Co-interior angles. Now angle 2 I want to find out. Angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 130 is equal to 50 degree. But I don't want to find out the 1 and 2. I want to find out the value of x. X is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Since x is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 1 is 45 plus angle 2 is 50 is equal to 95 degree is the right answer. Note down everyone. Note down everyone firstly. Very interesting question. Yeah. Example 3, note down. Example 3, note down everyone. In figure, prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E plus angle F is equal to 360 degree. What is figure here? Check the figure everyone. This is the figure. Yeah. I will give chance to say the answer, how to solve this question. First draw this figure everyone. Yes. In this figure, we are observing student, there are two triangles are there. First triangle is ABC, second triangle is EFD. In first triangle, I want to apply angle sum property of a triangle. Note down. Already you know students, if I want to prove any question, firstly I want to write given, to prove and proof. Note down. Given. Note down. Given. Don't write directly student. Always keep in mind. Given two triangles, two triangles triangle ABC and triangle DEF. To prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. Right. Now I am going to start proof. Yeah. Yeah. Now firstly I want to take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Why? Angle sum property. Angle sum property. This is equation first. This is equation first. Second equation, in triangle DEF, angle D plus angle E plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. Same concept, angle sum property of a triangle. This is equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Now equation first left hand side is angle A plus B plus C, and second equation left hand side is D plus E plus F. I want to add first left side, then right side. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E plus angle F is equal to right side first equation 180 degree, right side second equation is 180 degree, is equal to 360 degree. Proved. Student, don't write shortcut, follow the proper steps given to prove proof. Students, I have explained this question and last question. Both question is very famous question in the CBSE examination. Yeah. Example 4, note down everyone. Example 4. In figure, in figure, AB is parallel to DE, comma, angle BAC is equal to 35 degree, and angle CDE is equal to 53 degree. Find angle DEC. Yeah, draw this figure, everyone. AB, C, D, E. This is 35 degree. Angle BAC, BAC. This angle he has given 35 degree. Next, CDE, CDE. This angle he has given 53 degree. And which angle is asking? DCA, DCE. This angle is asking. Draw this figure, everyone. First, draw this figure, everyone. Yeah, I know some students are getting this answer, but draw this figure, everyone. One thing he has given in the question, AB is parallel to DE. Means this line is parallel to this line. If both line are parallel line, then I can say angle DEC, this angle 35 degree. Why? Alternate interior angle Z forming. Note down. Angle CED, angle CED is equal to 35 degree. Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Yeah. Two angle I know, third angle I want to find out. We can apply angle sum property of a triangle. We can find out the third angle. We can write here in triangle DCE, (53 degree) plus angle DCE plus 35 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property. Yeah. Then 53 plus 35, angle DCE plus 8, 5 plus 3, 8. 88 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then angle DCE is equal to 180 minus 88 degree, plus quantity becomes minus 0, 10 minus 8 to 7 minus 8, 92 degree. Write down this question.